Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about virtual DOM that is used in React. First we know that HTML which is a markup language which is used to load the website. The website is a static website. When the HTML is loading the website, the browser shows only the static website. That means we can see that there is no activity involved with this. But in the modern applications, we need dynamic website. Then only we can do our business, we can implement the business through our web applications. In the dynamic web applications, there are some objects in the website. When the user creates any event or any external system events, then the objects in the HTML will be changed based on that event. Then only we can do the purpose of that particular business. For example, the user can interact with the website by clicking the menu item or selecting the menu item, clicking the button or click image. Likewise, he can interact with the website, and after interacting with the website, this will change the website layout and some elements will be changed. This is called a dynamic. It is not only by the user, even though there is some data changes because of some external system, the website will be changed. This kind of dynamic website we can get with the help of DOM. DOM is document object model. It is used to implement any changes to the object based on the events created by user or external systems, and it is HTML as a tree. That is, it contains a root node and a branches node, sub branches node, leaves like this. It treats HTML as a tree, and if any event comes and any changes happen to this any of the element, that will be taken care of the DOM. And now we can talk about the JavaScript framework. Most of the JavaScript frameworks are very slow to implement this kind of changes in the website, and they are also doing unnecessary tasks. What are the unnecessary tasks which they are doing is, let us consider there are around 10 or 15 elements in the website, and the user or the external system creates an event that change only one element. Let us say an image is changed, but most of the JavaScript framework changes this image as well as it also rebuilds the remaining objects, so it will take more time, and because of that the performance of the website application is very slow. And this in the modern applications, in the modern web applications, the changes are happening frequently, so it will lead to a very poor performance, as well as the response is taking more time. For example, if a user click a button and he has to wait for some time to get the changes, to view the changes that made his event, so he will get frustrated and he lost the interest on the particular applications. So we need to improve the performance, for which React has come with a concept of virtual DOM. Virtual DOM is a lightweight copy of the real DOM. Lightweight copy of the real DOM sitting in the memory, available in the memory. That means, what is the meaning of lightweight copy is, it has all the objects and the changes will be also in the objects, but it doesn't have the power to actually change the object, the element. It just captures the changes, that's all. It cannot implement the changes to the the real DOM. That is the reason it is called lightweight copy. How the virtual DOM is hosted in the React, we can see that one. That is the virtual, let us assume this is the virtual DOM and this is the actual DOM. Initially, it has a copy of the actual DOM, and it represents each element or each object in the virtual DOM. And an event happens, and after the event happens, there will be some changes in some of the objects, a few objects in the virtual DOM. Till now, there is no change in the real DOM. But after changes happen, what React will do is, it refers the changes in the virtual DOM and that will be implemented. How it is implemented? Before any changes, the React takes a snapshot of the virtual DOM. After changes happen, and it will take the current status of the virtual DOM, and it compares the snapshot it has already previously taken and the current status, and find out the objects which are changed. Only those objects will be changed in the real DOM. The remaining objects are untouched. Because of this, the performance is very much improved, and the frequent changes can be handled in an effective way, and we can get a responsive time very less, and the user can have a great experience. So this is the way the virtual DOM is working in React applications. And it also have another one advantages. The changes are implemented in batches. What does it mean is, for every change the real DOM is not changed. Actually what happens is, the independent changes are accumulated, and after some time these changes will be implemented in batch. If it is implemented for every individual change, then the application may be unstable. Because this is being implemented in batch, the changes are applied smoothly, and the user can have a great experience of, or smooth experience of viewing the application. And some of the intermediate changes are invisible to the user, so that the application will be very fine, and the changes and the transition is also very smooth. This is the way the virtual DOM is working in React, by which the React can improve the performance as well as it can enhance the user's experience. Thank you everyone. We can see in another one video.